Hello, and welcome to Biology Excel 2021-2022. I'm excited you were able to join us for this little video tour of our class this year. Well, I am Jacqueline Katz. I am your students / biologist teacher this year. This is my 9th year at PHS. I've taught Biology Accelerated every year that I've been here, along with a smattering of chemistry, anatomy, research, and environmental science. My own personal background has been largely in chemical and cell biology. I've done 2 master's degrees in these topics, and it's really kind of the core of my passion. I'm so interested in understanding the how and why on the cellular level for the things we observe at the macro scale. I'm currently still in school working on my administrative certification, but for right now I am very fulfilled and happy in the classroom with your students. My contact information is right here at the bottom of the page, and you are welcome to reach out at any point throughout the school year when you have questions or concerns. And this year I'm joined by a student teacher who is actually an alumni of PHS. I taught her several moons ago. And she is from Rowan University, hoping to be a biology teacher. So it's been really awesome getting new perspectives in the classroom and just new ideas and a second set of hands. So this year in bio, we are going to do several things, starting with developing a community of scientists, lots of conversation and scientific argumentation. And in the process to be informed, we will work on our scientific literacy and data literacy, and we'll use all of this to construct our understanding of biological phenomena. So each unit is going to start with a phenomenon. Like currently, we were observing the variety of life, and we are going to work to explain why that variety exists. And this sort of pattern will be repeated with each unit we carry out this year. In order to construct this understanding, we will need to plan and carry out experiments, which your students have already done once this year, looking into the factors that affect the jump of an origami frog. And then throughout the year, we're going to try to make as many connections as we can between the content inside the classroom and what's going on in the outside world. And a lot of this will happen through the students' digital journals, which they've already started adding entries to as we navigate our first unit. And in the process of doing all this, we're also going to hope to instill some strong study habits in our students and seek them to challenge themselves as they navigate through the rest of their time at PHS. So here's been our year so far. We've talked about what science is and who scientists are. We've developed models based on observations and evidence. We've worked on constructive criticism and thinking about what qualities make good models. And then, of course, we did our origami frog experiment. And we are about to shift gears into thinking about natural selection and population dynamics and use that to help us kind of answer our year-long question of what leads to these differences in species that we observe all over the place. And of course, your students will get materials in the classroom, but they can also access our digital classroom, which is our Canvas site. You also have access to this. So I urge both you and your students to take some time to look through this. There are resource materials and videos and extra practice opportunities, and also all the documents we get in class. So it's a great way just to stay organized. There's also a calendar so students can stay on top of what is done in class if they happen to be absent or they forget or they think they missed a homework assignment. It should all be up here for them on Canvas. So thanks for popping in for this short video overview of BioExcel. I'm looking forward to a very exciting year, and please reach out if you have any questions.